Welcome back to the how-to channel, guys, and today I'm showing you how to make a YouTube short. So open up the YouTube app and simply click on the plus button at the bottom and click create a short. Once you've done this, you're going to either record a video or add a video that you've already made. Okay, so simply upload a video of your choice. It can be anything you want, of course, as long as it's within community guideline rules, and trim the video first to adjust it. If you want the whole video in there, please just press the next button. Now you're going to have the chance to add sound and change your video around. So at the top you can see where it says add sound, okay? You can press next and go to sound and choose a song of your choosing. You can either browse what you want in different genres or go to the ones that you've already saved. All right, let's click Flowers from Miley Cyrus, add that in, and go to put some text in. If you want to write something in there, you can do text to speech, you can change the name of it, no problem. So guys, do that, add a filter to it if you like, and this is your short pretty much done. Make sure you're happy with the short and click next. Once you've done that, you're going to have to give it a title once it's loaded. All right, give your caption for the short. Feel free to put hashtag short in there, hashtag FYP, hashtag anything you want, okay? Once it's in there, it's done. Make it public and press upload short. Guys, that's how you do it. Make sure you click not made for kids so everybody can do it when it's deployed. Now like and follow for more videos.